Everyone, Coach Jay here. Day number 29 of the Coach Jay Challenge. And we have our third and final assessment. So we saw in the first two rounds of the assessment days, we had levels. Beginners, we're doing everything for 2 minutes. Intermediates, we're doing everything for 4 minutes. And then advanced level, fitness level, we'll do everything for 5 minutes. We're getting assessed on 3 different areas. One was plank, push-ups, and burpees. And we had levels for all threes, either knees or toes for the plank, knees or toes for the push-ups, or on the burpees, it was either walking, jumping, and sprawls. For this third and final round, we're gonna go 5 minutes for each of the 3 assessments. We're gonna go from the toes on the plank, and if you don't make the 5 minutes, okay, write down your score. The goal is to make 5 minutes, but if you don't, it's okay. Keep setting those goals to get as close to 5 minutes as possible. On the push-ups, you can either pick one, which is either straight from the knees for 5 minutes. Once your 5 minutes is over, write down how many you did, or from the toes. Or if you want to split it, start on your toes, then drop down to your knees. You will have 2 different scores for each one. That's okay as well. And then burpees, you're going to pick one and write down what your final score is for either walking, jumping, or sprawls. Let's get started. I'll show all 3 levels and keep pushing away. So, plank, we're gonna go from the knees. Again, you start your timer, 5 minutes. Lots of space between you and the floor. Keep the core tight. Elbows underneath the shoulder. This is number 1. Once your 5 minutes is over or your knees hit the floor, time is done, write down your score. Number 2 is push-ups. We'll go sideways here. So you can decide to start on the toes, start your timer, back level with elbows, push the floor away, inhale on and down, exhale, push. Okay, as many as you can do in 5 minutes. Take breaks, go again. Or from the knees down, back level with elbows, as many as you can, okay, again, or split. Start your timer for 5 minutes, start on the toes, crank out as many as you can. Once you break, drop down to the knees, and finish off the 5 minutes. Last but not least, burpees. First one is a walking burpee. So, you start your 5 minutes, walk, clap over the head. That's option 1. Option 2, one jump up, hands down, jump back, jump in. That's option 2. Last option, one jump, hips down, chest down, feet up, and clap. That's option 3. So there's your assessment. Each one 5 minutes, okay? Plank, write it down. If you don't make it, it's okay. Number 2, push-ups. Either from the knees, from the toes, mixture of both. 5 minutes on the clock, as many as you can do. Last, 5 minutes on the clock, burpees. Walking, jumping, or sprawls, up to you which level you pick. You set the goal, you go get it. Until day number 30, peace out, have fun, go hard.